In this modern world, a high-speed internet connection is very important for our daily communication, entertainment, and web research. Did you know? There is one company making an innovation to make our internet connection faster, even we are in the far side of the globe. Introducing the STARLINK of Elon Musk. In this episode, we are going to show you the evolution of STARLINK and how it will change the way we connect to the internet. But before we start, please consider subscribe for more interesting video. STARLINK is a satellite internet constellation being constructed by SpaceX, providing satellite internet access to its subscribers. The constellation will consist of thousands of mass-produced small satellites in low Earth orbit, working in combination with ground transceivers. Each satellite is connected to each other with laser beam, to guide its orbit to avoid any collision, to send and receive data, and to communicate with each other satellite. In 2015, the opening of the SpaceX Satellite Development Facility in Redmond was announced by SpaceX in January 2015, to develop and build out the new communication network. By January 2016, the company had publicly disclosed plans to have 2 prototype satellites flying in 2016, and to have the initial satellite constellation in orbit. In November 2016, SpaceX filed an application with the Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, for a non-geostationary orbit satellite system in the fixed satellite service. In March 2017, SpaceX filed plans with the FCC to field a second orbital shell. It would compose of 7,518 satellites and would orbit at 340 kilometers or 210 miles above the Earth. In February 2018, STARLINK conduct test flight for 2 prototype satellites using Falcon 9 rocket. In November 2018, SpaceX received U.S. regulatory approval to deploy 7,518 broadband satellites. In May 2019, STARLINK deployed 60 operational satellites. As of October 24, 2020, SpaceX has launched 895 STARLINK satellites. They plan to launch up to 60 more per Falcon 9 flight, with launches as often as every 2 weeks in 2020. In total, nearly 12,000 satellites are planned to be deployed, with a possible later extension to 42,000. Concerns were raised about the long-term danger of space debris from placing thousands of satellites above 600 kilometers, and the negative impact on optical and radio astronomy on Earth. In response, SpaceX lowered the orbits to 550 kilometers or 340 miles and below, and launched prototype satellites with anti-reflective coating. SpaceX intends to provide satellite internet connectivity to underserved areas of the planet, as well as provide competitively priced service to urban areas. The company has stated that the positive cash flow from selling satellite internet services would be necessary to fund their Mars plans. The STARLINK system will be linked to flat user terminals the size of a pizza box, which will have phased array antennas and track the satellites. The terminals can be mounted anywhere, as long as they can see the sky. Photographs of the customer antennas began to be seen on the internet in June 2020, supporting earlier statements by SpaceX CEO Elon Musk that the terminals would look like a UFO on a stick. STARLINK terminal has motors to self-adjust optimal angle to view the sky and get direct connection to the satellite above. STARLINK promise 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps of internet speed. What did you think about STARLINK internet connection? Would you like to subscribe for it? Comment down below. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.